Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to FIXtastic Contents. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to factory reset your touchscreen display for your Peugeot 208 Mark I. Let's get started. As you can see, this is a Peugeot 208 from 2012 to 2019. Press menu. Press system. Press other. As you can see, factory setting. Press this. Confirm reset to factory settings. Yes. Now wait a moment and it will reset to factory default. So now you know what to do. Please like and subscribe to the channel and I will catch you on the next one.